What is the third myth?
The third myth is you think you have insurance, you think you bought a lot of insurance, but at the end of the day, it's just a saving plan. Personally, I felt that this is very, very irresponsible. Me, myself, I experienced it. I'm not the victim, but my brother, one of my brother is. They're telling this is better than an FD. You know what? They're selling it like it's an FD. And then they say every year you're going to guarantee to give you this amount of money and whatever. But at the end of the day, right, it's not even a proper saving account. It's a saving plan from an insurance company. When they're telling him that every year you got this guaranteed cash value and whatever, it is going to bank into you and whatever, right? When he give me that policy, the structure of the policy is so funny. I can say this is a hybrid plan. Got guaranteed cash value and then got investment. So the guaranteed cash value that they pay out, they're supposed to be paid out, right? Which they mentioned, it's supposed to be paid out. It wasn't being paid out. You know what they do? The guaranteed cash value in the policy contract itself, I mentioned the guaranteed cash value will actually be generated into the investment to come out with more cash value. And then the end of the day, right? My brother, he told me that you still give me money, ma. So I go and find out for him. They actually do partial withdrawal. And then you know what's the funny thing about this? He didn't even sign the partial withdrawal form. So a lot of people outside the market, right, in our communities is actually having this problem for the past 10 years.
Everything is via phone, right?
Yeah, via phone. And then when things really happens, right, want to claim, right, cannot claim because it's not a CI, it's not a critical illness plan.
So who should be blamed?
I think if I'm being neutral, right, I think both parties. Number one, we are not being educated enough that what is the structure of a saving plan, what is the structure of an insurance plan. Number two, the second party, it will be the person that sells it. Because why? They are trained to sell. Their job is not to train to protect you when things happen.
So, word of advice, right? When it comes to insurance plan, please go and find your agent. Not from the bank. The bank is good for banking product, not banca.